How much should you spend on a shower panel system? Because here's the thing, cheap ones look fancy but break fast, and expensive ones sometimes don't perform any better. The real answer isn't about price alone. It's about what actually works in your bathroom with your water pressure and your daily routine. Product number 1, Novo Matte Black Rainfall System. This Novo system caught my eye because it looks premium but costs under $150, a rare sweet spot. It's got a bold matte black finish and solid brass construction, which means it won't flake or rust like cheaper coated metals. If you want a sleek, modern upgrade without blowing your renovation budget, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 10-inch stainless steel rain shower head uses air injection tech to boost pressure by mixing air with water, so even if your home has low flow, it still feels full and drenching. Plus, the CUPC-certified pressure balancing valve keeps your water temp steady, so no sudden scalding if someone flushes the toilet. It includes everything: handheld spray, 59-inch hose, wall arm, and even the valve, rare at this price. Over 500 bought last month shows people are trusting it. Now, some people complained about the instructions being confusing during install. Here's the thing though, if you've done basic plumbing before or hire a handyman, it's totally manageable. The parts are quality, and once it's in, it feels rock solid. This isn't a DIY nightmare, it's just not pre-assembled. This is perfect for you if you're remodeling on a budget but refuse to sacrifice style or safety. Skip this one if you need ultra-high water pressure or want multiple spray zones. For under $150 with brass valves and real rainfall coverage, it's a steal. Product number 2, SR Sunrise Black Square System. Alright, that was a solid budget pick. But if you're willing to spend a little more for better materials and support, the SR Sunrise Black Square System steps up. Priced around $154, it uses aircraft-grade 304 stainless steel, not just coated brass, so it resists corrosion even in humid bathrooms long-term. The design maximizes flow efficiency so you get strong coverage without upgrading your plumbing. The 71-inch stainless hose gives serious reach, and the 360-degree adjustable ball joint means tall or short users can angle the rain head perfectly. Plus, self-cleaning silicone nozzles prevent mineral buildup. Just wipe them with your finger. And it comes with a CUPC-certified valve that monitors pressure changes to avoid burns. Now, some people complain the handheld spray feels a bit lightweight compared to the main head. Here's the thing though, it's still functional and durable, just not as heavy-duty as the rainfall piece. If you mostly use the overhead shower, you'll never notice. But if you rely heavily on the handheld, keep that in mind. This is perfect for you if you live in an older home with weaker water pressure or want a system built to last 10+ years. Skip this one if you're on a super tight budget or prefer chrome over matte black. With 24/7 support and real stainless steel, it's a smart mid-tier choice. Product number 3, SR Sunrise Budget Rainfall Set. Now, if the last SR Sunrise model felt slightly out of reach, this one drops to just $103, making it one of the most affordable complete systems out there. Don't let the price fool you. It still uses solid brass and 304 stainless steel, just with a simpler trim and fewer accessories. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It includes smart water-saving tech that cuts usage by up to 30% without sacrificing feel, great if you're eco-conscious or on a metered water plan. The 10-inch square head delivers full-body coverage, and like its pricier sibling, it has self-cleaning nozzles and a 360-degree adjustable joint. It also comes with a 2-year warranty and lifetime replacement parts, rare at this price point. Now, some people complain the finish isn't as scratch-resistant as higher-end models. Here's the thing though, for a guest bath or rental property upgrade, that's totally fine. It's not meant for heavy daily use in a master suite, but for occasional showers it holds up well. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, attractive system for a secondary bathroom or are testing rainfall showers for the first time. Skip this one if you want dual controls or premium finishes. For under $110, it's hard to beat. Product number 4, Window 12 Dual Rainfall System. Alright, that was a solid budget option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for families or couples who want flexibility. The Window 12-inch ceiling mount system runs about $208 and includes 2 rain heads, 1 overhead, 1 side-mounted, plus a multi-function handheld with push-button diverter. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You can run both rain heads at once for a full-body spa experience or use them independently to save water. The 144 silicone nozzles on the main head are touch-clean, and the high-pressure design uses air mixing so it feels powerful without wasting gallons. The 3-button diverter lets you switch modes instantly, no fiddling with knobs mid-shower. Now, some people complain the plastic handle feels less premium than metal. Here's the thing though, it's still durable and functional, and the core components, valve, heads, hose, are all metal. If you prioritize performance over handle aesthetics, this is a non-issue. This is perfect for you if you want a luxury dual shower experience without remodeling your ceiling plumbing. Skip this one if you have very low water pressure or hate complex controls. With a 5-year warranty and true multi-zone output, it's a standout for shared bathrooms. Product number 5, Delta Modern 14 Series Chrome. Finally, if budget isn't the main concern and you want a name brand with proven reliability, the Delta Modern 14 Series is the gold standard. At $423, it's the priciest here, but you're paying for engineering, not just parts. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Delta's monitor pressure-balanced valve is industry-leading at preventing temperature spikes. The Brilliance finish resists corrosion twice as long as standard coatings, and touch-clean nozzles let you wipe away buildup with one finger. It also has separate controls on one trim plate, so you can adjust temp and divert water without extra valves cluttering your wall. Now, some people complained it's overkill for small showers or basic needs. Here's the thing though, if you're building a forever home or value long-term performance, this is worth every penny. But if you're renting or doing a quick refresh, it's probably too much. This is perfect for you if you want a lifetime guaranteed system from a trusted brand and don't mind investing upfront. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or prefer matte finishes. For pure durability and peace of mind, Delta delivers. So which one's right for you? The Gato Novo if you want solid value under $150. The SR Sunrise models if you need stainless steel and good pressure. The Window if you want dual rain heads and versatility. And the Delta if you're going all in on quality and brand trust. No matter your budget, there's a system here that actually works, not just looks good in photos.